Alright, so in this haircut we are going to take the sides and back down nice and tight, leave a little bit of length on top so my model can brush that hair back. And I'm starting off by taking the hair down as short as it will go with the shortest guard I have for my clippers. So right now I'm just removing a lot of the bulk to get the sides nice and tight. After I complete this, I will then take that guard off to take the hairline even tighter and even cleaner. So I'm working my way from the right side to the left side. I personally, for whatever reason, will start typically on the right side. I don't know if it's because I'm right-handed, but I've always just liked to start on the right side and work my way to the left. So I don't know about you, maybe you're left-handed and you prefer to start on the left side. If you're not sure, give it a shot if you're left-handed, starting on the left side. And if you're right-handed, give it a shot starting on your right side. I'm sure there are people who do it the other way around, but for the most part, most people that I see will typically start on the side of the head that their dominant hand is. So if you're wondering what side to start on, give that a shot. I'm not going to say that's the best way for you, but give that a shot and see if it is. So as you can see, I am now working my way from the right side to the center back, and then of course I'm going to then carry on to the left side. Alright, so as you can see, I've now taken off the guard off of my clippers, and basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the clippers all the way around the hairline just to take the hairline even tighter, even shorter, and basically blending it up to the section I've already cut where I did have a guard. So again, starting on the right side, working my way around the head to the left side. Alright, so now that I've completed using the clippers, it is now time to cut the top. As you can see, I'm taking a section, pulling the hair straight up, and cutting the length on top. We do want to leave it longer on top so my model can take his hair and brush it back, but at the same time, we don't want it too long because it's just going to lay flat. We want to be able to give my model some versatility in the event that he does want to wear the top with a little bit of volume. So I'm taking sections, combing them back to the previous section right there, using that previous section as my guide, and basically cutting the current section. So once we've completed cutting the top, we're going to be pretty close to being done. Alright, so we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.